some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, January 15th. It is currently 9:38 a.m. and I have been having a time, needless to say. If you can't tell, I tried to put myself together to like hide the fact that I had a really rough night. I'm not gonna let it bother me. I'm not gonna let it look like you guys can see. Sorry, I'm like looking at myself in the screen. Hold on, look at this cute selfie I just took on Instagram. This is my little fit. I don't feel like standing up right now. Little silk lingerie or like slip dress for like $2, but I am currently getting ready to take my medicine. I just wanted to come on and start the vlog before I forget, because half the time I feel like I don't start the damn vlog. I'm being real with you, like I said this year, I keep saying it, but I really fucking mean it. And I want to vlog a lot this year, and I'm not gonna vlog just, oh no. This is how my day is going. That's what they say. Whatever. I'm gonna find my medicine, I'm gonna take my meds, and then I might take a nap. I know, I'm like ready. Maybe I'll explain why I feel the way I feel right now. But I don't know if I want to talk about it, because like I don't like talking about negative things, or like things are like not going smoothly, because I don't know. And I have been struggling a lot lately with like motivation and like feeling like I am a success. But I know, like I also know that I create my own reality. I create the life I love, the life I want to live, and I'm just being patient, and I know I am doing everything right. Like I said, it's just be patient, but it's just like everything and where I'm at right now and everything is just like a bit rough. But I gotta find this damn pill. That was so bad, it got like stuck and then I dropped it. Good morning, baby. Hi. She's so cute. Also got to take that anxiety med. Can't forget about that. I hate taking pills so much. This angle is not it. It's been a little while. Look at like my anxiety today is just 9:54. I have hardly had any water. I took a nap. We are gonna go ahead and drink some water and get hydrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in one of these liquid IVs. These help me so much because I am really bad at keeping up with like my water intake and stuff. And one of these is equivalent to like 3 waters, I think. So it just helps me on days when I know I probably should have drank more water by this time. So just pour in and shake her up. a super long workout. Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning? Someone just woke up from her nap, huh? Did you just wake up from your nappies? Oh, baby. Look at the little baby. Are you happy? Oh, we are back. 12:53. I'm editing this vlog as we speak. I am attempting to eat breakfast slash lunch slash my first anything today. So delicious yogurt. This is the raspberry kind. This is like my favorite vegan yogurt brand. I don't know, I'm a weird person when it comes to chunks of fruit in my yogurt. The only types of like fruit, like it has to be fresh, otherwise I just don't fuck with it. It's just like slimy and gross to me. I'm gonna eat this, get this in my system. I'm still working on my water. We're gonna smoke some so I don't feel so nauseous. It's hot. It's hot. No, right now. We're gonna go bun for right now because your girl is hot.
And that inner security, as I already talked about, whatever is within will be without. And then, you know, of course, when the time would come where I had to pay bills, if I was like short or if I had no money to really go out and do anything, and it was from that place that I was able to start generating a very, very stable income. That is when
I don't know when I even updated you guys last, but it's 2:12, basically 2:15. It's that time yet again. I was able to get that yogurt down, which is awesome, but it had less than 1 gram of protein in it, and it's 2:12, so I'm gonna smoke again. Hopefully I can like get some chicken nuggets in me or something, because that's got like high protein, but this is just what it's like a day for me living with anxiety. And I just want to, hi baby, just want to be able to like talk about mental health with you guys because it's very important, right? Did you not give your mommy a kiss? She's wagging. Did you not give your mama a kiss? But yeah, just want to be able to talk about my mental health and keep you guys updated on how I'm actually doing instead of just vlogging on the good days, because I can't be real if I'm not showing the bad days too. So this is just another day living with anxiety disorder, but I'm not gonna let it stop me anymore. I used to, and from this point on, I'm not doing it anymore. Another reason why I'm making this vlog is to tell myself, girl, it'll be fine. Everything is fine. Whoopi's here to tell me so, right, baby? I just, like I said, want to be able to talk about my mental health and generalized anxiety or anxiety disorder, because I was diagnosed with that maybe either last year, I think it was last year, 2020, beginning of 2020 maybe, or the end of 2019. I'm not really sure. I just want to be able to help each other on these bad days, because I know I'm not alone, and sometimes it definitely feels like I am, but like I know I'm not, you know? So that's what I'm here for. Let you guys know you're not alone. We're in this together. Me, you, Woovie baby over there. Right, mama? Right, baby? She said, yeah. So I am just taking today to kind of bring myself like back to like, I don't know. I've just been very anxious, and I've just been angry, and I'm just done feeling that way. And so I'm just painting, as you guys have seen. Just painting on one of my notebooks. You guys will see what it looks like after I'm done, but I'm just trying to change up my routine because I've been pushing myself really hard and working really hard, but I also haven't really been living at all. So if you haven't eaten anything, get your little booty up. Go get a yogurt like I did. Go get a pretzel, pizza, whatever it is you want. Just get something in you and drink some water. I'm talking to you. Do you hear me? I'm back. Literally, this vlog is me moving from this spot to this spot, and that's literally it. Right now, I am just finishing up editing this vlog because I've kept up with it, but now I need to get caught up on my Instagram reposts because I have a lot. So we're gonna do that right now and then edit some more. It's 3:30. I honestly, making sure I drink enough water, making sure I get another meal in. Couldn't tell, quick glance off my laptop, 6:37. I literally have this whole entire vlog edited up until this point because I haven't filmed anything else. It's been, you guys know how today's been. I'm in the same spot, but made myself some food, so that's always good. But right now I am just posting on my OnlyFans because I've just been very inactive on all of my social medias today just because of how I've been feeling, but I also still have to work, so I am just on there right now. And then I also need to promote it over on Twitter, because Twitter is like the only place that I feel like is not super fucking strict anymore. But I have that and Reddit that I'm trying to figure out too. I did start an OnlyFans. I will go ahead and link it on the screen if you want to check it out. I think I linked it in the beginning of the video too, but yeah, I will be doing a video regarding all that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I will answer all of those for you. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this stuff and maybe eat some ice cream. Okay, so I am not sitting down anymore. I'm on my yoga mat. I'm still in my slip dress, I am aware, but I just feel called to stretch out a little bit right now. I am just like really tight and tense, and my anxiety has just been all over the place today. So I don't know, I just, like I said, felt the need to like do this right now. So that's what we're doing in a slip dress. You guys, so this is basically all that I'm doing. Still have to do my mindful like journal thing, which you guys saw me do this morning. I have to do that still, but that's literally the last thing that I have to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end off this little vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this mental health vlog and opening up about my anxiety disorder and kind of just talking about it more, because I just don't want you guys to feel like you're alone, because sometimes that's how I feel, and I know that I'm not, like I said earlier. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this mental health vlog, opening up about my anxiety, because that's something that I really want to do this year. I know I keep saying it, but I just want to be myself, and I have to show you the good and the bad days. So, just one of those days, but I will see you guys in my next vlog. If you liked it, consider subscribing and joining this journey with me. Also, if you want to like, share, comment, do whatever it is you guys do, but I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.